Good morning, college and tutor. My name is Ivan Rojas. Today, October 3rd, I am going to explain my problem 3. The proposed problem is the lack of information and benefit causes. The first causes is the little value that the creators give to their product. For this reason, they believe that it does not merit its registration or it is not necessary. The second cause is that the creators do not have adequate training or qualification on the subject of intellectual property registration, and that is why they do not understand the importance of registering in some cases. The third cause is that the institutions do not promote the activity of intellectual property registration. This generates a delay in the decision by the creators. As a consequence, I find in the first place that the image or reputation of a creator or their product can be affected as it is exposed to incorrect. Another consequence that I find is that the creator will have an unprotected product. This makes it lacking commercial value. The third consequence is that an unregistered product may be subject to commercialization by third parties without the creator being paid for his work or elements. My recommendation as an advisor are: it is important to make claim that intellectual property is not only a legal action in favor, but represents an asset and perhaps the most important of the company. It offers an identity of property to any creation of an organization. For this, I consider it important that the client in my company, as an advisor, receive the necessary training from the Superintendency of Industry and Commerce. This so that you have certainty of decision that is made from the register. For me, as a consult, it is important that the client measures the value of their creation, which leads to its registrations, protecting their property, thus avoiding plagiarism or use by third parties. Thank you.